Hey guys, I'm Nikki Sizemore. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Luckily today we're making cake. I'm going to show you how to make my healthy almond cake. Now I've got to level with you, I'm actually not much of a cake person. Go team pie! When it comes to those like multi-leveled, fondanted, overly saccharine cakes, I have no interest. However, the kind of cake that I love is rustic, super easy to make, not too sweet. This healthy almond cake is no exception. It is a cinch to pull together. It's sweetened with just honey, and there's actually no added oil in this cake. It gets its richness simply from almond flour and coconut flour. This cake is so versatile. You can dress it up with a dollop of whipped cream and some fresh fruit, or you can serve it simply as it is as a snack. I love it in the afternoon with a cup of tea, and to be honest, we often eat it for breakfast, because what's better than cake for breakfast? I can't wait to show you how to make this easy, healthy almond cake. So let's head to the kitchen. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so that you don't miss out on any of my wholesome, family-friendly, and naturally gluten-free recipes.
Let's start by prepping our 8-inch cake pan. You just want to give that a spritz with cooking spray and then line it with a round of parchment paper and spray that as well. Now for the batter. We are going to whisk together the dry ingredients. So I have almond flour, coconut flour, and you'll notice that I'm using a kitchen scale here because it is so easy and accurate, but I've included cup measurements as well. And then unsweetened dried coconut and some fine sea salt. Just whisk these together, then get in there with your fingertips to break up any clumps of almond flour. Now for the wet ingredients. We need to separate 4 eggs, so put the whites in one large bowl and the yolks in a separate bowl. To the bowl with the yolks, we're going to add the honey, and the honey is going to provide the sweetness as well as a lot of moisture in the cake, and then some almond extract. That's going to boost the almond flavor. Stir these together until smooth, and then add the dry ingredients and stir again until everything is well combined. Now for those egg whites, add a pinch of salt and then use hand beaters or a stand mixer to beat these to soft peaks. They should form a peak that flops over, just like that. Now we're going to combine the two. Add a third of the whites to the batter, stir gently just to incorporate them, add another third, and now you want to fold really gently because there are no other leaveners in the cake. The cake gets its rise just from the eggs. Transfer the batter to the prepared cake pan, and we are going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes or until it is golden brown on top. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes. And then we're going to use a small offset spatula or a thin knife, run it around the perimeter of the pan to release it, and we'll let it cool completely. And by the way, this cake stores beautifully, so you can make it a day or two ahead. Now you can serve this cake just as it is, but today we are going to dress it up with some fresh whipped cream and some fresh fruit. I'm using strawberries today, but you could go for peaches or berries or even citrus segments in the winter. This is a rustic, homey, wholesome cake. It is my kind of cake. You can enjoy it after dinner as an elegant dessert or even as a snack.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you give this healthy almond cake a try. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. I've included a link below to the full recipe. I've also included some links to my other favorite easy to make cakes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.